Kausapin po natin ang undertaker dito na ongoing na magaganap na fun run, which will start dito po sa Sitanga, then it will end dun sa may in front of the municipal hall. Good morning, Chairman. At kasanuting mechanics, paano ang mechanics itong fun run natin? There will be two categories, one for female and male. Okay, and so we will have two sets of winners. Okay, almost ilang kilometer po ito, itong tatakbo nila from Sitanga to Municipal Hall?
8 kilometers.
Almost, more or less 8 kilometers. No? And what time are we going to start with the fun run?
6:30.
Okay, and as of the moment, ilan na ang nakaregister dito? Sandali lang ka.
30.
O 30 na po ang nakalista, and inaantabayanan po natin ang go signal ng ating chairman ng SK dito na sila po ang nagte-take charge dito sa magaganap na fun run in connection with our centennial celebration anniversary ng ating bayan ng Ballesteros. So nandito na yung grupo ng mga nakapalista, and in any moment pag nagbigay na ng go signal, the run has to go and we should enjoy. Habang wala ng ulan, no? Baka mamaya tsunami ang darating dito, we have to start right away with our fun run. So this is our situation ngayon nitong ikalabing-pito ng buwan ng Disyembre taong 2011, at ang oras na po natin ay, well, we got 5 minutes before 7 o'clock in the morning. Maginaw na maginaw. There's some kind of rain, but the show must go on. So ito po ang ating mga very eager participants awaiting for the go signal para umpisa na po yung takbo ng bayan. So inaantabayanan lang po natin ang pag-umpisa ng ating fun run today, ika-17 po ng buwan ng Disyembre taong 2011, at ang actual location natin for the starting line, nandito pa tayo mismo sa Junction Sitanga, kung saan mag-uumpisa po ang ating fun run. And as of press time, meron na po tayong 36 male participants compared to 8 female participants. But we are still awaiting for more contestants, more participants in this fun run. And this is sponsored by the SK of Ballesteros in connection with the celebration of our centennial anniversary. And again, the weather is not so fine, it's very cool, it's raining, but the show must go on. We'll have to start, we have to go on and keep the ball rolling for our fun run today. This is our situation here, right here at Sitanga Junction, at oras na po natin ay mag-aalas 7 na. It's 7 o'clock, and in any moment we will start with the fun run. So this is our actual situation po dito sa Sitanga, na kung saan po ay nakahanda na ang ating mga runners para sa fun run na magaganap ngayon dito sa Sitanga Junction. Ulitin po natin, meron na po tayong 36 male participants and 8 female participants. Dito barangay Apo Kapitan Trinidad. Apo, good morning.
Good morning, Apo.
And Merry Christmas.
Napintas mat, sir, mamindwa ka daras nga maarami dito yan. Masurusuruan na iti apong lumuwa kastamot ti Linga Ballesteros. Napintas po na yun natakas ko yung mapasama sa hindi kasta amin nagiti pagkasaling ubing dati experience na may pinagkarayan ako gilaan matay ako may matay committee na to eh.
Okay, agyan mo na. Sige, Kapitan. Okay, sige Kapitan, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Dapat sapay ko mata nakalalay kada kami kada aming kasali kada ito yung fun run marathon nga mangrugi, mag-uumpisa po rito sa Junction Sitanga, and then magtatapos sa may municipal hall. Once again, Kapitan, good morning and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Sir.
Mobile car na nakataway, and in any moment umpisa na po natin. Okay, ipaikot pa natin po, ikot pa natin ang ating camera para makuha natin. Meron na po tayong suma total na naka-enter, naka-register ay magda 440 na po ang ating registered male, and then we have almost 10 ang female participants dito sa magaganap na Fun Run Marathon. Okay, we are about to start with the Fun Run at pangunahan ng ating mobile car ng ating kapulisan, PNP ng Ballesteros. Ang Fun Run na ito mag-uumpisa po dito sa Junction Sitanga at it will cover almost 8 kilometers po ang Fun Run natin. At ito na ang ating participants. We are about to start. Ang go signal natin, ito na po tayo, nakahanda na po ang ating mga runners, ang ating mga participants dito sa ongoing na Fun Run Marathon. And it is composed of almost 40 males and 10 females. Okay? Inaayos na natin, kina-counter check ang ating registration, and then sa ganon, maumpisa na po natin ang ating Fun Run Marathon today, 17th day of the month of December, year 2011. Okay, so we are about to start with the Fun Run. Please enjoy running and then take care. Na? Okay. So dapat meron magmamarsal. Ang magmamarsal sa Fun Run natin na ito ay ang mobile car ng ating Philippine National Police. At ang ating barangay officials ng Sitanga are here to give us the assistance na kailangan natin dito sa Fun Run na ito. So to all the runners, mag-ingat lang po sa pagtatakbo, and then nakaantabay kami sa inyong lahat, and then give your best and feel happy, have the fun of running with this marathon. Okay? Are you ready na? Ready na kayo for the show time? Handa na kayo? Okay,
Final
handa.
announcement. Bali 13, the first 13 to arrive at in front of the municipal hall shall be given a prize. 1 to 3, I don't know the exact amount, but 4 to 13 shall be given 10 consolation prizes.
So you ought to be within the first 10 para magkaroon kayo ng consolation prize. And from the first 10 siguro mag-decide kung sino ang first, second, third.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yung first 10 na maka-arrive doon will definitely receive consolation prizes. Okay. Maliwanag po. Walang tulakan, walang sinikarudan, ha? play fair lang, ha? Okay, ito po ang grupo ng ating mga runners. Chinecheck na ng ating
Noriel Acosta,
Finish line in front of the municipal hall, please.
Oliver de los Santos,
adda ko mula designation diye.
Larry Acosta.
Lalo na close fight, ha? Adda ko linya diyan.
Pagkakmat sa akin ni Sir Ador, in charge si Jai, finishing line. Sir Ador is in charge.
Kasi no adda neck to neck, kasano i-decide mo sino muna. No awanti linya. Dapat adda linya diyan. Itawag mo no adda.
Monjo Aquino,
Okay, in any moment, we will start with the Fun Run. Have fun!
Eric Ariola, R. Prado,
Ito ang suma total ng ating mga participants. One of them will be judged as the first runner.
Orlando Prado, Mark Eric Garcia, Alan
So medyo marami po itong mga participants natin, no?
Mariano, Mark Anthony Martinez, Randy Marinas, George Tabada, Del Core,
Si kayo. Okay. We will start.